Exercise number 8. Yes, and start. He continues, I quote, full stop. There are a large number of resources on which the provinces depend has been concentrated in the central list, full stop. It is desirable at least to leave one important source of revenue with the provinces, full stop. Therefore, I think that the proposal to leave the sales tax in the hands of the provinces from the point of view is a very justifiable thing, full stop. This issue has been under debate since then, full stop. We introduced the VAT in our wisdom, full stop. Much of that has been encroached upon, full stop. Now the GST bringing the services also into its ambit along with the goods will virtually take away this right, full stop. Now the state governments, which were called the provinces then, not having any right to raise resources from whatever they would consider they are elected, they consider as important for the welfare of the people in those states that will now be prohibited, full stop. How are you going to address this issue, question mark, next paragraph. I myself told this to the finance minister, and he said that at the time when the GST bill comes, this should be addressed, leaving some flexibility to the states, full stop. I will tell you why today you have the Kerala government from where you come, sir. The state has imposed a tax called the health tax, full stop. It is on your fast food and all these sorts of food items that increase obesity, full stop. It is a very noble thought, full stop. It has been welcomed internationally, full stop. But such rights will not exist after we enact this amendment and the bill subsequently, full stop. Take the case of the state where I come from, full stop. A tax has been imposed, a surcharge on cigarettes has been imposed to raise revenue to pay for the victims of the Sharda scam, full stop. People are being asked to pay for the victims of the Sharda scam, full stop. Whatever be that issue, that is a separate issue, full stop. Such rights do not exist in case of national calamities, full stop. Are we to reduce the elected state governments, where from the people of these states come to the center with a begging bowl saying that declare so and so issue as a national disaster and give us certain amount of money, question mark. What will be the legitimate rights of the states, question mark. And we are the council of states in this august house. How do we protect that right, question mark. That is an important point that needs to be considered, and therefore I would request the finance minister when he replies today to ensure that there is a flexibility of this nature whereby the states do not end up actually coming with a begging bowl to the center in following years later. Stop and open.